Gawa tayo ng coke float. RC, no sugar, and Selecta Rocky Road. And this one. So we're gonna make a coke float. Laki niya, no? And ice cubes. Okay, so fill this here. Wow. And then some ice. Just 3 ice. Wala yung pang ano ko, pang scoop eh. Yan. And then put it there. Oops. And another one. Hirap talaga naman ng cameraman. Yan. Yun o. Coke float. Sarap. So, ayan. Pinano ko siya ng ice cream. Yum. Time to drink. Panis ang McDo dito. Sarap. Cheers. Ayun, di ba nakikita niyo yung float? Nagpo-float. Nagpo-float siya. Sarap. Sarap. The best talaga. Kaka-refresh. Say yummy.
Yummy.
Mm.